This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Taskbar settings directly. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar and choose Taskbar settings. You do this now because it exposes all configurable options in one place. Once done, make sure you're signed into the account that owns the current settings and that no system dialogues are blocking changes. If a policy controls the taskbar, you'll need admin rights. Otherwise, proceed to Visibility, Alignment, and Icon settings presented in the Settings pane. Now adjust appearance and which icons are visible so your taskbar works how you want. Toggle Auto Hide if you need screen space, and enable small taskbar buttons for a compact look. These affect layout and focus. Change taskbar alignment to left or center based on your workflow, and open the corner overflow to pin or unpin system icons. Once you alter visibility, test by opening apps and multiple displays to confirm icons behave as expected, and finish by verifying the taskbar behaves across scenarios. Open and close apps, change screen resolution, and use full screen apps to confirm auto hide. If changes don't apply, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or reboot. That often forces an update. If the taskbar still misbehaves, reset the taskbar settings, run a system restore point, or inspect group policy and registry keys that might lock settings. One key tip: restart Explorer before more invasive fixes to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.